Welcome aboard to another episode of turning $10 to $1,000. This is going to be our second episode. I'm sorry it took me a while to release this episode. I've been a bit busy, but just like the previous episode, I'm going to take a couple of trades, keeping to our rules, and I'm going to explain each trade as we go along. And for today, just like the other episode, I'm going to be analyzing 1 minute chart, and I'm going to be taking my trade on 5 minutes. And our first rule of this challenge is we are going to always be trading with 10% of our total capital. And now we've gotten our balance to $13.47. So 10% of that should be around $1.3. Let me just input that. 1.3. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be trading for today's episode 2. So let me take some couple of trade and explain it and enjoy the ride. So I've taken my first trade in the upward direction. Let me explain this. Let me just open my pen real quick. So as you can see, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Now we got this price channel. Like I told you, today I'm going to be including more strategy. I'm not just trade only on that double top and double bottom we did the last session, because I want this trading session to go fast. So I'm going to be incorporating new strategy. But if you have any question, any clarity, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to be answering all the comments as much as possible. So as you can see, we have this uptrend, and in this uptrend we got this price channel here. This is an horizontal price channel. As you can see, the price was moving in this price channel and finally decide to break in the upward direction with this strong, let me zoom in, with this strong bullish candle. That was why I took this trade in the upward direction for 5 minutes. So let's see how it plays out, although it's going to be a winning trade. And this was an easy win. I hope you guys understood it. This was a uptrend. This was an overall uptrend. Then we got this horizontal price channel. Then the price broke. It retested and went up again. That was why I took this trade for 5 minutes. Now let's look for our second trade. I've taken my second trade for this session. As you can see, it's almost similar to the previous one, but this time it broke in the opposite direction. You can see this price channel. Let me draw it for you. You can see the price was coming down. The price was coming down. Then it formed this price channel. This is a descending price channel. Then it broke it strongly with this candle in the upside direction. That was why I took this trade for 5 minutes. And if you remember what I said in our first video, you have to think of where the price is going. So since it broke it in the upward direction, it's probably going to reverse from this level here or this level. So I feel like we have 5 minutes room for the price to touch it before reversing. So we have a safe window for 5 minutes. But let's see how this trade goes. That again was a win, no surprise there. This price was not supposed. I was supposed to have used 1 point. The price keeps changing. I don't know why. All right, but let's look for our third trade. Let me put this back. I don't know why this keeps changing. All right. Let's look for our third trade. Like I said, it's going to reverse here. And I was kind of right. It wanted to reverse, but it's going up. So I'm guessing it's going up to this level here. But regardless, we've gotten our win. Let's just look for our third trade. Now, this is a risky double bottom to take because, as you can see, this is a double bottom and this is our neckline. This candle broke it strongly, but I will not really take this because this, like I said, you have to think of where the market is going, and this is supposed to be our next reversal pattern, reversal level, and this candle is already very close to the reversal level. So if you are taking this candle, taking a 5 minute trade from here, that's very, very risky because the price can reverse almost immediately because as they got into the potential place it can reverse and the trade will close in loss. So I would probably avoid this trade. I would not take this type of trade, but let's keep going. I just say let me show you as I was browsing through the assets. Double top, neckline got broken with this candle, and look at how smoothly it's coming down to probably this level or this level. All right, I'm seeing another potential trade here. We're having a consolidation here. The price is consolidating. So wherever the price breaks from, this is an horizontal price channel. Wherever the price breaks from, we can go for a 5 minute trade in that direction. This is a good pattern. Whenever you see a consolidation like this, it means the market is in indecision. So there are the bulls and bears are fighting on which direction to break from. So whichever position wins, it will continue in that direction. And this candle breaks it. If this candle is also a white candle, I'm going to take the trade for 5 minutes. Let me set my timer. And because my next reversal level will be around here, so I have more than enough room to take this trade. So I'm waiting for this trade to close, and there's no need for the trade to even close. It's obvious it's going to be a white candle, that is, or you can call it a green candle. So let's see. I've taken the trade for 5 minutes. Let's see how this trade is going to close. And that was another win. I've taken this channel pattern trading like a millions of times, so I had no doubt that was going to be a win. So we've gotten our third win for 2 days, and it hasn't even been that long. I started at 14:17 and I'm at 14:30. It's not even close to 30 minutes. Let's do for our fourth trade rather, and if it's a win, then we'll call it a day. All right, I've taken my fourth trade, although I was a bit late in this trade. As you can see, it's a descending price channel. This is an uptrend, and we have a descending price channel, and it got broken with this strong bearish candle. So let's see, I should have taken my trade here the moment it got broken. Well, let's see how the trade goes. So guys, as you can see, some pairs don't actually have 5 minutes. They have 10 minutes. I forgot to check this pair. This pair is a 10-minute pair. Like, it's going to close in the next 10 minutes. I did not really check it out before taking the trade. If I've taken for 5 minutes, the trade would have closed there and would have won this trade. But this trade is running for 10 minutes. So we have to wait for another 5 minutes. My bad, I did not check it. You guys should always check your pair before taking the trade to make sure it has a 5 minutes time out there. My bad, but let's keep our fingers crossed and see if this trade is going to close in the next 5 minutes again. So let's see how it goes. And so guys, we've won our fourth trade again for today. So this whole trading session took me around, because I started at 14:17, now I'm ending at 15. So it took me around like 43 minutes for this trade, and we've gotten our $10 to $17 today. So, and if you remember our third trade, if we win 4 winning trades in a row, we stop for that day. So till we meet again, I'm going to try to finish this challenge as fast as possible. So I'll see if I can be trading daily, because now I'm introducing more strategy. This channel strategy is more easier to find in the market, and it's really accurate, as you can see for today's session. Feel free to drop any question you have in the comment section. Till we meet again, Captain White Candle signing off.